Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send HD photos on Messenger so your pictures don't lose quality when you share them. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Now open the chat where you want to send the photo. Let me go with this one for now. Tap on the gallery icon and select the photo you want to send. Let me go with this one for now. Before sending, tap on the HD icon or send in HD. This appears on the photo preview. Once HD mode is enabled, tap on send. Your photo will now be sent in high quality without compression. Keep in mind that HD photos are larger in size and may take a little longer to upload, especially on slow internet. And that's how you can easily send HD photos on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.